Hello.
Sorry about that, people.
Technical difficulties with technical people
People who don't understand me.
or people who don't understand. Did the thing break already?
Yeah, it came unglued.
How did it become? Well, I can always glue it. I'll fix it later.
Okay.
Okay.
See, it came unglued. Just came unglued right there.
Yeah, I got super glue.
Okay, well, I guess I wasn't meant to order it.
Okay, so. Well, actually, you might want to tell them the funny part. Bone.
How can you say that you ask somebody where your phone is and you're on it?
I love that. That's such a millennial thing.
Yes.
Okay, so the next part of our little taste test from the basket thing is that this lemonade.
Lemonade.
Ooh, this is hard to open. And it looks carbonated.
Ooh.
Which I learned that you can't put sugar into a carbonated drink or a drink that's already been carbonated. It'll blow up.
I really like this. Sorry.
Smells alcoholic.
Where the hell did you buy it?
I bought it at Target.
Did they ID you?
No.
So then there's no liquor in this.
I said it smells alcoholic. I didn't say it was.
Alright, bottoms up.
What did I do? Lift the bottom of a trash can?
Basically, you would put liquor with this. That's why it's probably strong.
Strong. It tastes like I licked the bottom of a trash can. That's not strong. That's disgusting.
Alright, well, the next one we have is our next mimosa kit. This one is the pink and green one.
Oh.
Well, Melissa, put your damn basket somewhere. Melissa! Bitch!
Apparently we're going into expand. Hopefully it does make us fatter. Now can I have the clearing drink?
Why not? Alright, well, in this one we have cotton candy again. Melissa can't do these ones though, guys, because it has mints. So I'll be doing the mints on my own.
Mm-hmm.
As she laughs at me.
Or drink the
And this is another lemonade.
Let's do the cotton candy first.
Okay.
Where you just ripped off half the lemonade label.
Oh well.
Okay.
Have another basket.
Just throw in the baskets.
Always.
This is pink rose. And if anybody has tried rose, it's kind of like this adult flavoring that's kind of subtle but developing.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay, and yes, I am cutting both bags at once.
Woohoo!
Kind of smells like a fucking flower.
But we like flowers. It smells like roses. I like roses.
This feels like a pillow.
It does.
You didn't want to pull off of this?
I thought you wanted. You like cotton candy. I like the taste of that one. It's sweeter.
Kind of gives me a Valentine-y feel.
She needs to get laid.
Shut up. But think about it. This feels like something you should eat at Valentine's.
Yes.
With water. That's stuck to the roof of my mouth.
Yummy. Alright. These are called Cordell Mints. It's pretty packaging. It's a metal container. You don't do mints.
Cool, refreshing mints. Artificially flavored. Don't breathe on me afterwards.
Okay. Oh, they're in shapes of like round circles.
The little white spears of death.
They smell really good.
Still a mint smell.
Yeah. They remind me of Tic Tacs. Like the mint flavor Tic Tacs.
Those are not subtle.
That's what it reminds me of.
And now she has stuff to freshen her breath with. Don't breathe on me.
Not till after I get something down my throat.
Okay. And the next up for our thing is half ripped off label of the. Oh, this is why it's so weird. The last one was.
Bless you. Is that because then?
Probably. Who gives a shit? Because this one was elderflower, and this is. I'm gonna sneeze again.
I'm trying to get the flavor out of my mouth so I can breathe in you.
Don't you just love allergies?
This is why she can't be around mints.
And this is just from somebody breathing, and I can't really smell it too much. Just think of it if I actually had it.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so this is elderflower and rose lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
Which that sounds kind of cool.
Mm-hmm. Remember, it's carbonated.
Yeah, and remember, you're going to get to take these home because of how strong they are.
Why? You don't like that?
They're so friggin' strong and they taste like I'm licking the floor. At least the other one does. Not sure how this one's going to be.
We'll find out.
Don't want to lick the floor again.
Alright, so it smells good.
It tastes like somebody took Sour Patch Kids, put liquor into them, and pureed them.
I've done that.
And that's an accurate description?
Kind of, sort of, yes.
I mean, yeah, it has a bit of a flowery feel, but for the most part, it tastes like Sour Patch Kids soaked in booze, pure, blah, blah.
Pureed.
Yes. You want the rest of mine?
No. You're telling me to take the bottle home.
Nah. You're keeping that shit.
Okay.
I think I feel drunk just off of this. Oh. Get the cotton candy. That stuff's terrible. Unless you're boozy. Gotta get water. We'll be back with another taste test after these messages.